Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile.
Rainn came up with a great idea.
Aeroplane mode. The most boring thing you could do with airplane mode is use it on an airplane.
Yeah, Rainn's got 5 really useful things you can do with airplane mode on. This video was Rainn's idea.
Yeah, I decided if we could do this or not. First thing you can use it for is getting better signal.
When your phone is connected to a mast and you jump in your car and drive for 100 miles, your phone will stay connected to that mast. But
if you turn airplane mode on, then turn it off again, it'll connect to the nearest mast. This will give you a better signal.
Number 2 is saving Instagram photos to your gallery without posting.
We already done a video on that.
I know, but it's one of the useful things you can use airplane mode for.
We'll connect that video to the end of this video so you can see. The next tip is my favourite one. This is how to play games without ads.
Yeah, so if you're playing a game and you're constantly getting bombarded with pop-up ads, which is infuriating,
cut it off at the source.
Yeah, cut it off at the source, turn airplane mode on, and then nothing can get through that barrier.
Then you can play with no interruptions.
Sounds like a good idea. I'm going to do that from now on. I didn't know that.
Seriously.
Yeah, seriously. What? Why are you shaking your head?
How could you not know that? The game's downloaded on your phone, then you can play it. It's connected to the internet that loads ads.
That makes sense. Yeah, so if a game is downloaded on your phone, then obviously you can play it, but if there's no connection to the internet, then the ads can't get through. Okay, I get it.
Number 4, Prolong, a dying battery. If you're out and about at the beautiful countryside, if you want to take loads of videos and pictures, but your phone's dying.
Once airplane mode's turned on, then it cuts all the major sources of battery draining on your phone, so your phone will last a lot longer.
Number 5, you can charge your phone quicker with airplane mode on.
The speed of your battery charging comes down to how much power your phone is putting out also. So if you cut off all the sources that drain your battery the quickest, like the internet, then your phone will charge a lot quicker.
If you're in a rush, and if you don't mind being disconnected, you can get a really quick charge.
If you haven't seen our video on how to use Instagram filters without posting, then there's a link on the screen right now that will take you to that video if you would like to see it.
I hope you can make use of those things, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
You can also find links to our other social media platforms in the description below.
Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week.
Bye!
Bye!